In question 1a, we're being asked to find out x using Pythagoras' theorem. Now x is the hypotenuse, it's opposite the right angle, it's this one here, and it's also the longest side of the shape. So we're going to use the formula c squared equals a squared plus b squared. It's important to understand that the hypotenuse is always c, and that either other side can be a or b, they can be interchanged. And all we do now is we just substitute the values in. So if c is now x squared, and we'll sub in 5 squared plus 12 squared. Now x squared will be 25 plus 144. So x squared is 169. And this is really just the balance method now. What we're doing is we are square rooting both sides. And what will happen is the square root will eliminate that squared there. So in our next line we'll have x, and that will be 13. Remember that this square root symbol asks what number multiplied by itself makes 169 in this case. And just quickly before we finish, we must not forget to put our units, which are centimetres.